Hi, it's Tim Hill here, and I'm really looking forward to running the social media marketing workshop for the WASTE conference in May. We have a short amount of time to cover a lot of different topics, but what we're going to be doing is looking at all of the most recent updates. Facebook has been in the news quite significantly of late, but we'll be looking at what that means for marketers and how best you can use that channel as well as other channels like Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn to reach the right people with the right message in your different communities. We're going to be looking at a lot of best practice in terms of local government and council engagement, and also how to kind of quantify the value of all of this activity. I think that remains one of the biggest challenges facing marketers is not only quantifying that but then communicating that result to stakeholders. There's a lot of measurement that going on. There's a lot of analytics and capabilities out there, but as well, that taking that next step of what do we do with all of this information and how do we kind of make better decisions about the campaigns and the content and even ad spend. Those are things that we'll be covering in the workshop. So see you there. Really looking forward to it and really looking forward to seeing how social can really start to drive council engagement this year and onwards.